mane and thunderous roar. He was respected by all animals. But Barafu was not just a fierce predator, he was a wise and fair leader. One summer, a terrible drought gripped the land. Water holes dried, and hunger spread across the plains. The animals gathered beneath an acacia tree to seek Barafu's counsel. Even his rivals, the cunning jackals and the silent leopards, came in hope. Barafu stood on a rock, his voice strong. "We must share what little we have. Strength lies not in teeth and claws, but in unity." He led the animals to a hidden spring he had discovered in his youth. There, he allowed the weakest to drink first, the tortoises, the birds, and the young antelopes. Predators and prey stood side by side in peace. When the rains finally returned, the plains bloomed again. Barafu didn't boast or roar in triumph. He simply watched over the land, quiet and proud. From that day on, the animals remembered not just the power of the lion, but the greatness of